we roll, guys. So in today's video, we're going to be making this beautiful braid wig. Feel it is a wig. We're going to be making this beautiful. Let's going to be using this dome cap and of course this color, wine color plus color 30. So because I've already ventilated the closure, I just went ahead to sew in the closure. But while placing it, I placed it sideways, not at the middle. Have you subscribed to the channel? If you haven't, please subscribe. It's totally free for more content, okay? And do well to hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And guys, please do not forget, do not leave this video after watching without hitting the like button, okay? Please give my video a thumbs up. It will go a long way. I love you guys. Keep watching. I'm done with this other portion, so I'm going to be ventilating towards the direction of my hand I'm pointing at right now to get my perfect C pattern, if that makes sense. So I'm going to mark out a line that I'm going to be following for the ventilating. So if you mark out that line, you can even do that from the beginning. If you map out the line, it's just easy to follow, simple to follow while you're ventilating that part. If you don't know how to ventilate, you can go check my videos on how to ventilate. It's very simple and straight to the point. Okay, if you've not understand this video so far, you can do well to just replay. All right. If you've gotten value so far, I would so love you to hit the like button and comment down below in the comment section. And if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? It's totally free. Do well, feel free to subscribe because it is totally free, and hit the post notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video, a new content. As soon as I was done with the front portion, I just moved over to cover up those other portions that were not totally covered. So I just went ahead to braid on them, as you can see. So that was it. I covered them up, ensured that they were full and well covered enough. All right. Thanks for watching. See you in my next